This is our bird room. This is Barry in his cage. They've got the den. He's got him a big old perch system up above there. And there's Pearl in her cage. She's a goffin cockatoo. She's a real sweetheart, aren't you? Hi, Pearl. How are you doing? And her perch. And then we got Roxy. She's got that big cage, don't you, Roxy? They've all got plenty of toys. They all get plenty of love. Don't you? You gonna say something for the camera, hon? Of course not. She did have a curved top on this, but we took it off and made her a play area up there. I made these toys yesterday. Some scrap wood and wiffle balls. Right? Roxy's 1 year old. And Pearl's 1 year old. Aren't you, Pearl? You sweet. Yes, you are. And Barry, he's 5. Aren't you, Bear Bear? Hmm? You got him a shower this morning. Anyway, if you got birds, you gotta have plenty of toys. They need plenty of time with you. We don't want nobody plucking, do we? Huh? You want to say anything? Barry. Nobody wants to talk. Well, we're going to go outside. But anyway, they got them a nice room. And we hang out in here a whole lot. Right, Barry?